ये गाठी खुल दी गाठी छोड़ दिया नहीं खुल दी निकल दी गाठी सबके छोड़
याला गाड का बंद कर दो અહીંયા
अच्छा इला जिन के पेटी चेंज करे पड़ी एक के वो रहा है एक के साइड रहा है
Mariani, and so there's no better way of starting this.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very honored to be here today to officially open the Ba Multipurpose Sports Complex. It's always a pleasure for me to open any facility that provides the Fijian people with more opportunities, and in particular for sports and recreation. Ladies and gentlemen, look around at this new facility in Ba, which is part of the ongoing national upgrade program of our sporting facilities. I am among those who say that sport is one of the best ways to unite our country, and there is no doubt that we have entered a golden age of sports in Fiji. The multipurpose complex is funded by government through the Ministry of Local Government, Housing and Environment, through the Challenge Fund, which is aimed in supporting the development in our municipal councils. Most of you will recall that last year, around same time, I was a guest here, and I assured the committee that come 2015, we will provide you this fund to carry out this development. And today you will see that it has been very successfully completed, and we are about to officially open this complex. It is a matter of civic pride that the Fiji First government has and will continue to assist municipalities through this challenge fund in terms of capital development. This is one such project of many more to come. The local government is here to stay to serve the needs of our community, and it is my hope that all sectors within the town will support the council and contribute towards achieving and desired positive outcome for the common good of all who call Ba home, including those that visit us. Around 203,000 was allocated for this multi-purpose sports complex, a money well spent. It is an investment in the future of our local sports. This complex consists of a pavilion, a judges' shed, change room, toilet facilities, and the newly upgraded horse race track. And today I want to make this announcement that if Ba Football Association is not going to carry out the work that they intended to do some months or some years back, we will take that land back and we will extend the track up to that corner. You can take it from me, because we cannot slip on jobs. And I want to make it very clear to the Ba Football Association that please, if you have any intention to upgrade that area, you may do so. Otherwise, we are going to take that land back and give it to the Ba Horse Racing Committee for the extension of the track. This is a good start, and I'm sure that with your support, the interest will grow with every race. The government of the day wants as many Fijians as possible to play sports using the best facilities, because sports goes beyond mere enjoyment. It develops character and can bring out the best in a person. On this note, ladies and gentlemen, I thank everyone involved in the process of the development of this multi-purpose sports complex, and I wish to thank Ba.Funded Council and the contractors for a job well done. And above all, I want to thank the people of Ba for their community spirit and their contribution. This is your facility. Use it well, protect it, and maintain it. Ladies and gentlemen, I now have the greatest pleasure to declare the Ba Multi-Purpose Sports Complex open. Thank you and Vinaka. All right. God bless. Thank you. Naga saja.
Race 2, Flying Prince, Rainbow Running, Stone Plaza, the captains. Requesting the horse owners and the jockeys to prepare the horses for race 2. Race 3 people, my hero, Princess Anna, Lady Shavia, my level, lover boy.